This is Little India of Singapore, and as you can see on the Little India street there is a temple, and in front of that temple we have our hotel, the Assembly Palace. This hotel we are staying, this is on the street Veerasamy. As you know, my name is also Sammy, so it is very good that we are staying on the same street which name is Sammy, Veerasamy. This is a police station. As you can see, it is a very beautiful. You can see, you have seen a truck which was made by Toyota, but this truck is made by Nissan. Very very similar. It is a same truck. There is not a single difference between these two, and this is of Nissan. Same thing, everything is the same. It means that Toyota and Nissan are manufacturing the in the same facility, but stamping Toyota and Nissan differently. So for Singapore, this thing is, I don't know whether they have manufacturing, but if it is coming from outside also, like the other countries like China or other countries, then from there also the uh, the they are manufacturing for Singapore a very different vehicle, which is very convenient for many other countries also. Now you can also see a truck which is just like a Tata Ace, but a little longer, and also it is of Toyota company. Also the tank to put the petrol is also a huge tank, and the wheelbase is also longer, and also the back side, the backside tires are smaller than the front tires. As you can see, the tire in the front are quite large, and the tires on the back are very small, and there are four tires at the back. Vehicles of Nissan and Toyota which are so needed in India. In India, the requirement for these type of vehicle is too high, because we also need to put many products and travel and transport, but they are not, these products, these cars or these vans are not available in India. uh, and the vans or the cars which are available in India are more like a family cars or bigger family cars. So these vehicles should also be introduced in India, so that we can also use them and enjoy the comfort of a Toyota vehicle. Now you see this one, this Toyota. This Toyota is very similar to that cargo Toyota. They are also using it as a cargo, but it has windows all over, and it is a very good solution. Now this back cargo vehicle is very similar to this one. The only difference is that this the mirrors are not there, and this the mirrors are there. Here in Singapore, this Toyota vehicle is very famous. Here most of the vehicles you can see, they are of Toyota and Hyundai and Nissan company. Now as you can see, this vehicle, this vehicle is of Nissan, and the similar vehicle body is same, It is of Toyota. It means that the vehicle is made either by Toyota or by Nissan, and then they are sharing. This vehicle is very common for transport, and on this street of the um, Little India, Little India, as the name suggests, it is an totally Indian market, and in this Indian market, we have so many restaurants of Indian people. Here in Singapore, 6% population of the Singapore is Indians, and out of those 6%, mostly everyone is Tamil. So Telugu Tamil is the is also spoken very commonly over here, as well as English is also spoken. Rest 75% of the uh, population in Singapore is of Chinese. This is a very good, very nice vehicle. It is like a luggage vehicle, and this vehicle is of Fiat company. We do not often see these vehicles in India because the company makes the vehicle according to the needs or according to the country's requirement. So this is also a Fiat vehicle, as you can see. Uh, it looks very beautiful. It is like a car, small car, but the height is more, and it has a back for the luggage. This is Little India of Singapore, and as you can see on the Little India street, there is a temple, and in front of that temple we have our hotel, the Assembly Palace. This hotel we are staying, this is on the street Veerasamy. As you know, my name is also Sammy, so it is very good that we are staying on the same street which name is Sammy, Veerasamy.